To be completely honest with you, I don't need to be here as early as I am. That is okay. I got my headlights. I'm blinding you like crazy. I know. Sorry. And well, I know, I hate traffic. And I'm not a very social person, so I want to be alone here. I guess that is working out for me. We are getting closer. Probably wondering, what's this crazy person doing here? Why is it so freaking loud? Well, there is a good reason. And the reason is this. But you cannot see over there. Alright, there's not much of a choice. I need to get into the water. Let's go over here. Thank goodness my shoes are waterproof. Yep, but my ankles are not. Hey. Alright. Well, so we are at Schliersee. Can you even hear me? I don't know. We will see. It's super loud here because the waterfall. We are at Schliersee and this is JOSEFSTALER waterfalls. They look quite nice. I'm pretty happy. Now all I need is a nice position, and I already found that over here. I'm going to show you in a minute. So I found two nice spots to photograph. One is here with the log in front. It's running right now, but it's real dark still. And one is more like up there, which is a nice cross view. I like that. Let's see if both work. Oh yeah! What do you think? So how close can we get? Okay, let's go. Three, two, one. Okay. Okay, I'm at the second spot. Not sure. I feel a little uncomfortable up here. I hope it turns out well. We'll see. Three, two, one. In a way. let's get one final shot. I've got so many by now, I think I'm okay. Leads us to, I don't know, walking through the river. We can walk on land. Water. Funny enough, my wet feet are super warm. Oh, these socks are amazing. These shoes are great. I love it. I love it. All I would need now is a waterproof pants, I guess. Oh well. Oh well. So there's more hiking routes here. Stockeralm, Spitzingsee, you can go well up there, which is very nice. Please do that. So we're at Schliersee, which means there's lots and lots and lots and lots of hiking routes here. It's almost ridiculous. There's lots of lakes down here, south of Munich. Lots of beautiful lakes. Love them. Most of them, at least. Some have favorites, some have not. Oh, let's have a final look at this beautiful waterfall. Nice. So this waterfall is about 5 minutes. That'd be 10 minutes from the parking lot, which is utterly ridiculous in a way. And it's also for children. I think there's a nice playground here, but it's a little warmer. But now it's not very warm, as you can see. I'm wearing even a hoodie, which I almost never do. So, but Schliersee area, very nice. I have not much experience with the Schliersee area, to be honest. It's not my favorite. The lake's a little dull. I will show you in a minute. But many people like it, and it's very relaxing, very nice. But a little too calm for my taste. I need a little bit more action. But it's still nice. It's still nice. I'm gonna show you. I hope I find a nice parking spot at the lake. That's the most difficult part here. Some easy mountains here. This is Schliersee. We are still rather close to the road, that's why there's some car noises in the back. But, as you can see, this is pretty nice. You can hike a lot around here. Small mountains over there. You can go up these mountains and over to the next lake, which is very nice, and I'll show you on a different day. Right here. Let's snap a picture of the blog and then bye bye.